because that damn cough. So today's class is going to be how to use fibs, right? What is fibs? It's pretty much Fibonacci's, right? How to use them and when to use them, right? So let's go ahead and remove everything real quick. Let's start fresh, right? Let's start fresh. So let's see what we can do. So on the daily time frame, let's see. So what I like to do for the fibs is I don't like to use a candle chart. I use the line chart. Why? Because that gives you the most recent high, right? Like to the dot. So we'll go to the Fibonacci's, right? And before I actually do that, before I actually do that, guys, let me put it here, just random, right? Because I want to show you the settings. I'm gonna leave this for like 10 seconds. So the Fibonacci settings, I have it different, right? For this one, I have 0, and these are the only ones I have, clicked on. These 3 and these 3. Make sure you guys have the same settings, okay? You don't have to have the same colors or what I do, but make sure you have the same settings as there. I'm gonna let you guys, either screenshot that. Give you guys a couple seconds, because those are the only fibs I use, okay? The only levels I use. Cool. I think that should be enough time. Alright, so what I like to do if I'm trying to catch a rejection, it's I like to grab for the most recent swing high. You can go 4 hour, daily, hourly, 30-minute, whatever, right? I'm gonna show you all that right now. So from the daily swing high to your most recent swing low, which is what? Down here, right? So let me explain this before I even go to the chart, right? So the red one, this is the 50%, which is usually your discount area, right? Your discount area where you want to grab your starters. Premium and optimal are usually where you want to grab your full position, right? So let's show here. But guys, fibs isn't just meant to be used by itself. You're not just gonna use the fibs just because the optimal and premium is there, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick, right? Let's just put it like that. I'll put the level precise on the smaller time frame. You always want to get it to the dot, right? So you'll go on here, you'll adjust it. So let's go 555. 1, 2, 3, 4.3, right? Boom, that's the purple one. That's my premium, right? So okay, now that we got from swing high to swing low, because we're trying to catch a rejection, right? And I'll show you the vice versa in a little bit. Okay, so we have those. We'll remove this. Now let's go to the regular candle one. Okay, so what do we have there that matches with the fibs? You want to find other confluence. So what do I have here? I have a daily imbalance here, right? So this is your imbalance on the daily time frame. So we're gonna put D for daily, right? Let's see. Let's refine it. Let's go on the 4 hour. Okay, let's see if we find anything else. Cool. Look at this. What do we have here? Now what we can do is we have a 4 hour order block, right? I'll make a video on this as well, what order block is, but 4 hour order block here. Boom. 4 hour. Okay, and what am I gonna do with this imbalance? I'm now gonna refine it down on this 4 hour. So boom, boom, right? It got filled here, right? But on the daily, it hasn't filled all the way, right? But we know we have a 4 hour imbalance. So let's see if we can find the 1 hour. Yeah, even if you take the 1 hour, right? Your 1 hour there, 1 hour imbalance. But let's keep the 4 hour. So let's see what happened. Right? If you go back into the daily time frame, what happened on a daily? It acts as resistance, right? So why would you take starters? Why would you take full position here? So what two confluence do you have here? You have your imbalance, you have your order block on the 4 hour, and you have your premium. So if you get in here at 15,556, your stop loss is not a close to 15,632 on the daily time frame, right? And this is what I mean by refining it. So let's say that was the daily, right? So obviously that worked on the daily. Let me show you, right? Rejected on the daily, on the candles. Boom, boom, rejected. Also, I already know we have a buy to sell model. So what usually happens with that, guys? Let me show you real quick, and vice versa, and I'll show you that later. Buy, right, to sell model. What does it do? It usually retests, boom, and broke down, right? Like breaking down now. So that's what we're expecting. That's why we're breaking down, and that's why we expect a little bit lower to the downside. So that's how you add the fibs with everything, right? And then you have your breaker. So now that we have that there, okay, what do we have here? We have a 4 hour imbalance now, right? So let's remove all that. Let's say we go into 1 hour. Okay, let's keep the 4 hour. Let's say this is just new price action, right? Okay, 4 hour, and this is me just doing this, like, and I'll do it live when on a replay, just to show you guys. So 4 hour. So what do we do? Okay, you'll grab it from either your 4 hour swing high, right, or you can grab the daily too from here, and then to the swing low, right. Let's see if we go on the daily. Nah, your 4 hours better. Why do I grab fibs in these areas? You want to grab the fibs where there's some confluence. Why am I grabbing in this high instead of the daily? Because there's an order block here, right? There's an order block here on this 4 hour order block, and then the fib, right? So you can do that on the 4 hour. Now, if you want to play more aggressive, you'll go to the most recent swing low. So essentially like this, right? Most recent swing high to most recent swing low, or you can do this one, super aggressive. Let's see if we do that, or if we do the daily. Let's see what happens. You grab it from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low, which was Thursday. Okay, cool. You can do that, right? This is pretty much coming into today's trading session, right? So let's see. Did we even tap it on the 50%? Not yet. We're almost there. Let me make sure I have it exact. Oh, let's see if I have it exactly to it. Let's see, we haven't even tapped the 50% yet. Yep, not yet, all right? So we need at least a 50% tap for rejection. We go back in the 4 hour time frame. Let's go see here. Let's see if we put it from the most recent, the order block to here, all right? This is what I'm going to be watching into this week, using my fibs, using my other confluence, my order block here. You have a new order block here as well. So I want to see a tap into the 50%. I'll grab starters. And here, really what I would like to grab, full position will be around the optimal 15,481. Why, guys? Because now you have, let me move this one down, all right? You have a 4 hour order block right here, right? Your last up move before your last manipulated down move, and an imbalance, right? So why would I try starters at the 50%? Because I have what piece of confluence? I have my imbalance, and I have where my break of structure took place, right? So that's where I'm gonna try to take starters, small size into there. Obviously, you always want to wait for a change of character, but these are your areas of interest, right? So let's see if we go into 1 hour now. Okay, if we do the 1 hour, if we want to be a little more aggressive and pretty much like intraday, let's go see if we do the swing high to most recent swing low. Let's see what happened. Okay, we tapped into the 50% on the hour. Let's see if we go on a 15-minute. Yep, we tapped into the 50% on the 1 hour and rejected the 62% as well. If we would have got the 70%, which is my optimal, that would have been very, very beautiful, and I would have definitely added way more size on that. But that's how you catch a rejection on your 50%. And like I said, you always just go through different time frames. Why? Because you just redefine them, right? Just break them down to smaller time frames. We're in the 4 hour order block. So I'm actually gonna leave this drawn up to next week. So 4 hour OB. All right. Well, actually no, I'm gonna erase it because I want to show you how we caught it today using the fibs. So you guys understand that, all right? And you guys will have this video to watch it. So okay, let me show you today's price action where we caught it in the Discord. It's my first time using this replay shit, but it was right around here. Okay, cool. So before I even press play, I'm gonna show you guys how. What did I do on the 15-minute? I grabbed from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high. Right here, guys. Read the alerts, please. Most recent swing low to most recent swing high. Right. So let's see. So we know where our 50% is at, right? We know where our optimal or our premium. So what do I have here, guys? On a 15-minute time frame, I have an imbalance, right? On a 15-minute time frame. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna mark this out 15-minute, right? Okay. Let me before I press play, let me go on a 5-minute. Let's see what else I have here. Okay, cool. I have a 5-minute order block here. Okay, that's nice. 5-minute order block here. All right. Last down move for last minute up move. We can even use this 5-minute imbalance, right? Mark that up like that. Mark that up as your order block here. Okay. And what other pieces of confluence do I have here? So before I press play, I want to show you guys. We had this play ready, ready and everything, for the whole, for the bounce, right? for the bounce right now. So let me show you guys what happened, why I was telling them let's be patient, let's wait for it to come to us. So what do I have? Order block, imbalance, optimal, premium, and then 50%. Now let's press play. Let's watch this happen. Okay, we're breaking down, we're getting a retest. Okay, it tapped to 50%. Oh wow, hold on, pause real quick, pause. Okay, oh, pause, why is it still going? Cool. So what happened? Well, can anyone tell me, what did it do? What did it do here? It tapped our premium, it tapped our imbalance, it tapped, almost tapped the daily order, the daily open. So to tell you guys the 100% truth, and I'll be transparent, 100 possible, I took starters here in the Discord and I called them out. I said, let's take starters here, small size. We took small size here and we added our full position here. Why did I take small size here, right? We were in profit like 12 points, but that's nothing to us. So we did get a nice little bounce off the 50%, but I was like, no, just starters. I was like, we'll risk to close below, the order block, even just the daily open. So I took starters and I was confident in this. I was like, we got the premium, we got the imbalance, we got the order block, we got the daily open. That's like 3-4 pieces of confidence for me we have to bounce here, right? So I told the Discord, I'm like, you know what? We're going to average down on NAS buys on at the premium, and I added heavier, right? I added more size. Why do I add heavier down here? So one simple reason, it's I add heavier down here because now my risk is very minimal, right? My risk is very minimal. The reason we sized in small here, was because I knew we were risking close to 45 points, right, as a drawdown, which is a lot, right? So I'm like, why take a big size when this is just a starter level? Take a small size, right? And then we can add heavy at our premium, because if it, when it does bounce, we'll make money, and then we can sell our shitty fills, right? And then we're in profits. So what happened from that premium? We just literally it bounced off that premium, just bounced, right? This is a nice move, and what happened? We got above. We even went break even and in profits on our buys here, right? So that's where I want you guys to use the fibs and use risk management as a all in one, right? There was people that were probably panicking, but I was good. I was okay. I was able to add more. I was confident in it because I know where my stop loss is at. I always give you guys a stop loss, and you guys always have to know what your risk is and where your stop loss is at, right? But I was so confident on this because we had so much confluence here that it had to bounce. There was no way it was not going to bounce. So what did it do now? Now it came up and it formed a buy to sell model, right? Formed an M, right? And now I'm going to show you guys on the fibs in a little bit. Let me show you guys. Let's let it play out right here. This is your buy to sell, right? Let me delete this and I'll pause it. Okay. Before it bounces, before it bounces. Okay, we have an M, right? So let's see. I didn't play this because I was already done with the day, but let's see. If you take it for most recent swing high, most recent swing low, this is aggressive, right? Because we're in the 5 minute. Yeah, we're in a 5 minute. So this is me just doing this right now with you guys. I didn't even watch this happen, but okay. Swing high, swing low. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it even taps anywhere to 50. We have an imbalance up there. We have a premium or optimal level. Okay, tap to 50%. It rejected. So let me show you guys why it rejected the first time it tapped. So 15,320. It went all the way to 20 points. Give you a 20-point move. So let me tell you guys what you guys see here with confluence. What do we have here? We had a 5-minute order block right here, right? Mark that up. You had your change of character that happened here. This is now a retest into the 5-minute order block. 50% tap is here now, right? Imbalance is here. So what happened? Quick 20 points. Let's watch it. Let's keep watching. Dun dun dun. Okay, your invalidation is to close above that 5 minute, right? But at 20 points, guys, you should already have trimmed some profit or move over stops break even. Okay, so now this order block got invalidated, right? But now, like I said, you have that buy to sell model. You have your breaker here. You have your imbalance. Let's see if we go on a 15 minute. What do we have here? You have a 15-minute imbalance here, right? So let's see what happened. Okay, it finally tapped the premium. Oh my god, what did it do when it tapped the premium? Oh my god, I didn't even see this. But look, buy to sell. I showed you guys earlier. This is your optimal, this is your premium. You have an imbalance here. What were you risking here? What was your stop loss, guys? Your stop loss was this high. So 15,334. Your stop loss was above 15,354. 20-point risk, right? Hit the premium. Instant rejection. That netted you almost 70 points, 60 something points, right? Which is insane, guys. Like 60 something points in one candle off of your premium, off of your buy to sell model. Let me draw it out again so you guys understand that one more time. Boom, 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 and then boom. Right? What did it do? Let's see what happens. Let's see if it taps into the order block and holds it. Rejected the premium, rejected the imbalance. Let's press play. Let's watch together. Okay, okay. Held that low, held that low. Oh, finally broke the low. Let me show you guys what happened now. It broke the low here. What did it do after it closed below that low? It retested. What did it retest? Your imbalance, right? Retested this imbalance here, reject it. You have the daily open to support here. You need it to break daily open. Let's see what happens now. Okay, oh, broke daily open, bounce off the order block though, right? Holding the order block. You haven't had a 5-minute close below, so now you know that the upside is still valid till it breaks below this order block, right? Still valid till it breaks on a 5-minute time frame. So if you got in any of these wicks, 15254, you're risking 1 point, right? So let's see. So your confluence, either you can take it here and just risk 4 points, or wait for a close above the daily open. That gives you extra confluence and then stop out. So let's see what happened. Okay, held the 5-minute, trying to get above daily open. Oh wow, got above daily open and went right back up into the daily open. Let's see what happens. Just kept heading higher. Oh shit. Yep, just kept heading higher, and that was it. That was the end of the day. All right, like that's how you use a Fibs. You want to have confluence and everything together. You don't want to just have just the Fibs, okay? I hope this was very, very informational for you guys. Hope you guys were able to learn something off of this. Let's see if I can do this on SPY and show you guys. All right, so let's delete everything real quick. Okay. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see. Just so you won't say that I bullshit. This is me just drawing everything out right now. Swing low, swing high. Okay, so swing low to swing high. So anything after this high, okay. Okay. Alright, let me see what I have here. Let me break it down. Almost same setup as NAS. 5-minute order block. Boom. Alright. Last down move before the last minute up move. Boom. Alright. That held as well. Okay. Boom. Order block imbalance here on a 5-minute. Boom. So where did I grab that high from? Let's go on a 15-minute from here. Okay, so let's see if I can do, okay, if we grab from that high. Okay, now let's watch it together. Let's see what happens. Now that I know I have an order block on a 5-minute here, right? So let me show you. Order block on a 5-minute, grab the swing low from the 15-minute to the most recent swing high on the 15-minute, imbalance here. Let's watch what happens. Okay, let's see. It's rejecting. Okay, let's see what happens. Tap the 50%. Nice little bounce. That'll be a nice little scalp off the 50%. So SPY held the 50%. Your starters would have been there. Okay, that held. Nice little pop. Nice. Beautiful 50% hold on SPY. Beautiful. You would have made profit there. Super easy profit, right? Literally all you could have done from there, if you would have took the 50% and you don't want to wait and average down here, you would just risk the close below the most recent low that pushed us up, right? So let's see. Okay, held that. Okay, let's see. Now we forming a what? Let's see. Okay, here's where we're forming the M. So even if you keep the 15%, the 15 minute, sorry, it's still valid, right? Because there hasn't been a new high made, right? Same high. No new high has been made. So let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens. Chop. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it tapped into your premium, tapped into your imbalance, tapped into your order block. What happened? Let's see. Okay. So now if you took your profit off the 50% or you're still holding, you'll average down here. Your stop loss is to close below 444.57. So let's see what happened. Okay, held daily open. Okay, daily open's your second spot where you'll average. And then like I said, your stop loss is closed below this. Oh, almost stopped you out. Ooh, would have got you. Would have stopped under you, and that was it. And then just came right back up over the premium. You still would have been in profit, right? But that's how you use it, guys, right? So once it bounced off the 50%, you grab your starter size, right? So let's see if you can find any confluence on there. You had a okay, even that, right? Okay, so let me draw this out for you guys. So the other confluence you had where the 50% was at was you had a 15-minute order block, right? So we draw this, and now we go on a smaller time frame. Okay, so your 15-minute order block started here, right? So 50% plus a 15-minute order block is great. So let's say you got in on the 50%, and you got in the 50% starters. Your stop loss, you would on a 15-minute close, you would be like, you know what, I'm out. I'll wait for the daily open, or I'll wait for the premium to tap, right? But at that point, off your 50%, you're already deep in profits off this bounce, right? You caught a whole dollar move, right? Why would you not TP? Why would you not move up stops, right? So that trade is done. You could try again at the premium, and if you try again at the premium, your stop loss all the way close below the daily open, right? And you'll average down at the daily open, right? So boom, average down. Okay, no close below from this average down that you took here. Now you're back up in profits. You sell and you go enjoy the rest of your weekend. And that's it. That's how simple you use the Fibs, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. It's so simple for you guys to use the Fibs. So I hope you guys are learning from this, and I hope you guys are able to rewatch this. But let's see. Let's go look at Apple. Let me do one more example for you guys. Let's do one more for you guys real quick. I want you guys to learn this. Let's see if I can do it on a larger time frame. Let's see. Apple on the 1 hour, swing low, most recent swing high, right? This is the opposite way, right? This is the same way, right? We'll do the opposite way right now. Swing low to swing high. Okay. What do I have here? Okay. Hourly order block. Okay. Let's see. 30-minute. Okay. 15-minute order block. Perfect. Okay, 15-minute order block here. 62%. This was end of day. Yeah, you probably wouldn't have played this end of day. Let me show you guys a better example while mark it out. Okay, let's go look at Google. I want something that it's not towards end of day. Okay, around this area. Let's see what happens. Okay, if I take the 15-minute, I showed you guys for bounces. Let's see the rejections now, right? Swing high to most recent swing low, which would be down here, right? Okay. Down here is your most recent swing high, most recent swing low. Let's see, what do we have? We have a 15-minute order block here, right? 15-minute order block here. Okay. Boom, bada boom, boom. And you have your optimal. You have your optimal, your premium, your 50% here. So, okay, what adds up here? Okay, let me draw that here. Boom, boom. Let me go on a 5 minute, see if I can find something there. See the 15, because your recent swing low, it's all the way right here, right? So if we do anything from here, okay, just to show you guys. All right, let's watch it. Let's see what we can find here. Okay, so 15-minute order block, right, which should be red. 15-minute order block. Your Fibs from your most recent swing high, most recent swing low. Change of character here. What happened? We broke structure to the downside. So what did that form on your 15-minute? It formed imbalance here. Right, cool. Let's see now if anything formed here. Hourly. Let's see. Ah, damn it. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's see the replay. Replay was right here. Let me make sure. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, let's watch it, and then we'll find what we have here. Okay. So let's see. We know where 50% is at, right? Cool. And this is setting you up from Wednesday, right? This is setting up from Wednesday. And then this is Thursday. Okay. Okay, this is Thursday. We gap down. What did it do? Whoa. What's going on? It tapped your 50% now, right? It tapped your 50%, retested the change of character. Let's see what happens. Nice rejection. Nice. Oh my God. Gave you a nice rejection off the 50%, your discount, your equilibrium, right? Boom. What did it do? Came right back down all the way to hold the low, right? Or to retest the daily open and just bounce, right? If you're going to smaller time frame, let's go see. Let's go see. What is it from that rejection to here? Let's see. What did it hold? What did it hold? Okay. Let's go see if we can find it in a 30-minute. Hourly. No, probably won't have it. What did we possibly hold down here? Little order block here that it held on a 5-minute and bounced. So rejected the 50%, right? You catch that rejection 135.04 from the 50%. Boom, took you all the way down to 133.67. So it's $1 and like 40 something cent move, right? And that's how you use your Fibs, guys. And you guys see me using this like in real, like right now, right? I'd use this in real time with you guys, but you guys are seeing me doing any chart, right? Like a random chart and showing you guys how it works. Now let's go look at this. Let's go see if, okay, this will be a little more aggressive now. So I'll show you guys right now why I'm going to do the 1 hour. Okay, let's see what happens. So, why am I grinding from this low? What happened here, right? Let me tell you guys. This was your 1 hour order block here, right? This here was your 1 hour order block all the way to here, like this. So what happened on the hourly? Oh, we closed above it, right? So let me change this color. We closed above it here. So what does that tell you? Now you have a change of character to the upside on the hourly time frame, right? On the hourly time frame, we closed above it. Okay, so now I know we're bullish, right? Now I know we're going to continue higher, right? Now that we got that close. So now you know any retest. So let's go look. Okay, you have a order block here that held, right? 30-minute order block that held here. Boom, 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 right? So we grab the Fibs from that swing low to that swing high. Let's go see if anything happened. Well, look what happened. It came to your 50%, came your 62%, and excuse me, and it held and it bounced. But what else do we have here? So what do we have here? We have a 15-minute order block, right? 15-minute order block here. Boom. All right, so okay. So now that we have a 15-minute order block there, what can I do? So I can do this super aggressive. Now that I know we're bullish, where is my, we'll take it from here. Most recent swing high. Most recent swing low to most recent swing high. So I'll do on the 15-minute. Why? Because now I know we formed a 15-minute order block. We got a 1 hour change of character here. We're bullish now, right? So 15-minute order block. I'll grab my Fibs from recent swing low to recent swing high. What happened? I don't even have to, like, look, you guys saw that in real time right now with me. I just did this from scratch. How easy it is. What freaking happened? It came and it bounced off the premium and just headed higher. Your stop loss was a 15-minute close below 135.50. So your risk to reward was literally 23 cents to come and take out the high of 136.65. So to risk 20 cents to potentially make 90 cents, I mean, to me, that's amazing risk to reward. So you guys see how I plugged that in, right? Let me show you one more time. 15-minute order block. You take your Fibs from your most recent swing low. Y'all see why I use the line chart. Most recent swing low. All right, let me show you. Most recent swing low to most recent swing high, right? Boom, boom, bada boom, boom. Held, bounced. Easy peasy. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys can rewatch this video and learn and do it yourself. Like I said, the Fibonacci's are not meant to be used by themselves. I want you guys to find more confluence in that zone where your optimal, your discounts, and all that is, and you guys will be able to catch that. I know I explained order blocks and imbalances. I will make another video of what that is later on. But I want to show you guys the Fibs. I want to show you guys, so whenever you guys look at my charts, you guys are understanding what Fibs are, what those levels, the red level, the green level, and purple level are, right? That's why I want you guys to use Fibs and understand it, not just for, to understand my chart, but you guys understand when you do see my chart, why I'm taking entries around those areas, right? Because I either have so much confluence in there, but I hope this really, narrowed it down to you guys what Fibs are.